Latest development coming in from the Martyrs' Day rally that is being organized by Mamta Banerjee, in which Akhilesh Yadav is also in attendance. Mamta Banerjee has made a statement that has generated a lot of controversy. She said, "We want good ties between Bengal and Hindustan." Before we move on, listen into the comment first.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अखिलेश जी। मुंबई में आपका साथ मेरे को बात हुआ था और आपने मेरे को एक कहने पे स्वीकार कर लिया। आपने साथ में किरणमय, नंदी, ललित जी और भी बहुत सारे दोस्त को लेके आई हुई है। बंगाल का साथ मैं चाहती हूं हिंदुस्तान का रिलेशन अच्छा हो। अरे शुरुआत हुआ आपका लिए।
So several important statements were made at that rally by at least two of the constituents that were present there, two of the key constituents, Samajwadi Party and Mamta Banerjee. Mamta Banerjee made this statement while she was thanking Akhilesh Yadav for his presence, but in that course, she said, and I quote, "मैं चाहती हूँ कि बंगाल के साथ हिंदुस्तान के संबंध अच्छे हों." Adrija, now put this in context for us because it doesn't make sense if we read it word for word. Bengal is in Hindustan. Bengal is a part of Hindustan. What does Mamta Banerjee want to say when she says she wants good ties between Bengal and Hindustan?
He was addressing the public rally here in Kolkata during the Martyrs' Day rally. She have mentioned this line that because Akhilesh Yadav has come in at that point in time, Akhilesh Yadav has helped TMC and Bengal to portray a good image in front of the entire country. We've also mentioned that Bengal, because of Akhilesh Yadav and such national parties, if they keep coming to Bengal, then as a part of the India Alliance, Bengal in the coming days will be leading the country to a better future, towards a better future. And of course, Mamta Banerjee was talking about the fact that West Bengal, where TMC is presently in power, West Bengal should also have ties with the rest of the country, should also be known to the rest of the country for its culture, for its betterment. And therefore she has made this statement where she mentions, and she goes on to thank Akhilesh Yadav for coming in, and also congratulates him for his result in the Lok Sabha elections, and also says that Bengal now will be better known to the entire India as a part of the India Alliance, as a part of the India bloc, and also for its culture and its well-being.
Before we get into further depths of what exactly did Mamta mean, was it intentional, was it just a language issue, was it lost in translation between her thoughts and her speech? Listen into once again before we make up our minds on that.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अखिलेश जी। मुंबई में आपका साथ मेरे को बात हुआ था और आपने मेरे को एक कहने पे स्वीकार कर लिया। आपने साथ में किरणमय, नंदी, ललित जी और भी बहुत सारे दोस्त को लेके आई हुई है। बंगाल का साथ मैं चाहती हूं हिंदुस्तान का रिलेशन अच्छा हो। अरे शुरुआत हुआ आपका लिए।
All right, joining us now on the broadcast is West Bengal co-in-charge of the BJP, Amit Malviya. Mr. Malviya, what do you make of Mamta Banerjee's statement?
Nothing much, except that Mamta Banerjee seems to have forgotten that she's one of the 36 chief ministers India has. She also seems to forget that federalism is a two-way street. It works both ways. If Mamta Banerjee and her administration decide to be confrontationist at all times, it will only lead to loss of resources for the people of Bengal. Anyway, Bengal is not doing well under Mamta Banerjee. Education, health, social indicators are all in the dumps. So unless Mamta Banerjee realizes that the center and the state have to work together for the benefit of the people of Bengal, and she is primarily responsible for ensuring that it is a smooth relationship, she will continue to make these kind of unfortunate statements.
All right, but sir, the defense that is coming from the other side is that, this is just a slip of tongue, probably Hindi not being her first language. What she wanted to imply there was that as she was speaking to Akhilesh, who had come from Uttar Pradesh to address the rally, that she wants West Bengal's relationship ties to be better with other parts of the country. She didn't mean Hindustan, she meant rest of the country.
Mamta Banerjee is proficient in Hindi. She has been a central minister on several occasions. And if she did not intend to say what she said, she could have spoken in Bangla. She was speaking in Kolkata, and her audience obviously understands Bengali. This was a statement she made in Hindi for the national audience. So let's not get befooled by the explanation that is coming. This is nothing but an attempt to cover up for the kind of seditious statement that she's made.
Okay, so there's another statement that both the allies have made that the NDA government is not going to last for too long. Would you want to weigh in on that?
Well, look, I'm not here to comment on people's imagination or their wishes or desire. It's for the people of country who have given Prime Minister Modi a third mandate, and he will last the full 5 years.
Thank you, Mr. Malviya, for joining us. So there is another comment, one amongst the many that were made at the Martyrs' Day rally in West Bengal today, where Mamta Banerjee now came out to say that she wants Bengal ke rishte Hindustan ke saath achhe ho. Mr. Saugata Roy of the TMC is now joining us on the broadcast. Sir, what is your explanation for this statement?
There is no statement. It's a wrong reporting. Mamta, I heard, I was sitting there. Mamta said that I want that Bengal and UP have good relation. She was referring to Akhilesh Yadav's presence.
Sir, would you like us to play out the remark once again? Because she did not say Uttar Pradesh, she said Hindustan.
I don't know, you are fault-finding, but I heard that she said that Bangala or UPK, and that's what she meant anyway.
Okay, sir, may I please request you to stay on the line with us, because we'll just make it clear. We'll play out that reaction for you and then we'll get your reaction to it.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अखिलेश जी। मुंबई में आपका साथ मेरे को बात हुआ था और आपने मेरे को एक कहने पे स्वीकार कर लिया। आपने साथ में किरणमय नंदी ललित जी और भी बहुत सारे दोस्त को लेके आई हुई है। बंगाल का साथ मैं चाहती हूं हिंदुस्तान का रिलेशन अच्छा हो। अरे शुरुआत हुआ आपका लिए।
Mr. Royce, Hindustan, not UP.
But she was referring to the talks she had with Akhilesh Yadav. And you're picking up a point. She wanted to say that I want to improve relationship with all the states, like with UP. That's all she said. इसमें इतना बड़ा क्या बात है?
All right. So, Mr. Roy, they're saying that there is too much reading between the lines happening and it does not merit that kind of reading between the lines. But, sir, I was just speaking to Amit Malviya 2 seconds ago before you were patched, and he said that Mamta Banerjee is very fluent in Hindi. Okay, we seem to have lost that line, but we've got another reaction coming in from the BJP. Shehzad Poonawala has this to say.
ममता दीदी कहती है कि वो चाहती है कि पश्चिम बंगाल के संबंध हिंदुस्तान से अच्छे हो। ममता दीदी, पश्चिम बंगाल हिंदुस्तान में ही है, ये दो अलग राष्ट्र नहीं है। हिंदुस्तान राष्ट्र है, पश्चिम बंगाल उसका एक प्रदेश है, उसका एक हिस्सा है, अभिन्न अंग है। ये कोई सेपरेट टेरिटोरी नहीं है, यहाँ पर आर्टिकल 370 लागू नहीं है और ना ही ये अलग राष्ट्र घोषित हो चुका है। परंतु हाँ, देखिए, मानसिकता इंडिया अलायंस की इसी प्रकार की है। कोई कहता है इंडिया इज नॉट अ नेशन, इट इज यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स। कोई कहता है कि केरल में अपना ही वो विदेश सचिव लाना चाहते हैं, जैसे वामपंथी सरकार ने किया है। तो ये मानसिकता जो है बीज बोने की, अलगाववाद की, शायद उसी के चलते उनके मुंह से ये शब्द निकले।
Adrija, yet another political flashpoint in West Bengal. Mamta Banerjee will have a tough time. Her party definitely is going to have a tough time explaining. Saugata Roy, you heard him earlier. He said that Mamta Banerjee wanted to talk about Uttar Pradesh, but while he was making that point, he said there was an earlier meeting that had happened between Akhilesh and Mamta Banerjee. Is there more cooking behind the scenes?
Well, you see, Akhilesh Yadav has met Mamata Banerjee at her residence before coming to the dais together. And also, Akhilesh Yadav addressed the crowd today in the Mother's Day rally. And there, one message was very clear from the both of them that, you know, they will be fighting together in the coming days and fighting against the BJP as a united force. And therefore, Mamata Banerjee, while thanking Akhilesh Yadav, has also said that, you know, today is the beginning of a day where Akhilesh Yadav, a national party, has also come in to West Bengal and is celebrating the Martyrs' Day today along with TMC. And also, you know, Mamata Banerjee went on to make this comment where she apparently had meant that she wanted good relationship with each and every state of India, and therefore she, you know, used the term Hindustan. And that is what, you know, we are also hearing from the TMC, that they are saying that she meant to thank Akhilesh Yadav, because even in this speech, if we go on to hear it, she goes on to thank Akhilesh Yadav for joining the particular rally, and also says that, you know, in the coming days they will be fighting together as a united front.
All right, thank you, Adrija, for joining us. The BJP is saying it is just a reflection of the mindset of Mamata Banerjee, but the other side, the TMC, says too much is being read between the lines. Thank you, Adrija, for joining us.